So I'm at Gatwick and I'm going to go over to the train. This is FS2024. Going to go over to the long train, which seems to have a problem with juddering movement. There it is. There doesn't seem to be any performance issue, so it's still holding at 60. So this is the fix for animation juddering in FS2024 and probably also FS2020. It'd be an idea to do. So this is the beginning of the animation, and I've just added a standard 2-meter cube to the beginning of the animation, and just create a invisible material in MSFS material parameters, so this will not show in the simulator, it'll be invisible. So looking at the full animation, goes all the way to here. So I've just put another cube in there. I'll put another cube above. And 2 cubes either side. So with that, just exported it into the correct model lib directory, and it's as easy as that. So I've managed to fix the juddering problem with the train at Gatwick. So going far away, as if you're gonna be landing. And going up close. There shouldn't be any more juddering. Just the easy fix in Blender.